So, a little summertime van maintenance. My AC stopped working, so it's an older van. I got my '09 Honda Odyssey. Great van, I love it. Got it back from the shop from some work that I had done on it where she got hit, so I'll do updates on that. And my AC stopped working. I'm like, well, that's great. I thought maybe it just needed recharged. Bought a recharge kit. I like the AC Pro ones because they work great. Popped it on the port back here, and it threw up a red reading, which means there's something wrong with it. It's not going to charge, and the compressor wasn't kicking on. So I'm like, oh great, my AC compressor went out. Well, let's check some stuff. Hopefully this will save you guys some money and some headache. So in the Odyssey, there's a fuse box right here, and you've got a few small fuses here for your fans and all that. Check these first and see if any of these are blown, because they go to part of that AC system. But usually what it is, there's some relays in here, these big black ones, and this relay was not working. I pulled it and I swapped it with this one to see if it would kick in, and it did. So that told me this relay was bad, which happens. This looks like the original relay that was in here, and it could have been from the impact, because I had to reset my whole electrical setup, my nav and everything, so it knocked some stuff out. So I went up to the AutoZone, bought me a little relay here, which was $8. You just pop them out just like a fuse, pop them back in like that, and your AC should be good to go. We can check it here. Put your fuse box back on. It's a Duralast relay, and that's the AC clutch relay. So let's go back over here, which $7-8 is way cheaper than the $35 for the AC Pro recharge kit, but I like that kit. It comes with the tester and everything, and it works great. So let's check here and see what we got. AC on, crank her all the way up and see what we got. Give it a sec. And we got cold air. Can't beat that. When I switched the relay and tested it again with the recharge kit, the recharge tester, it showed that it was fully charged. So I knew it wasn't that, knew it wasn't a leak. But a lot of times you'll be like, oh, my AC doesn't work, take it to a garage and they'll do a diagnostic and all this stuff and charge you an arm and a leg to look at and service your AC, and sometimes it's just a fuse or a relay. So make sure you check all those first, and that'll save you a lot of money, especially if you're van lifing it or broke like me. But yeah, just a little tip. Check your fuses, check your relays. Sometimes that's all it is, and it's a $7 fix compared to a few $100s or more in a garage. And now we got air for the summer. So hope this has been helpful. Feel free to leave any comments, questions, or anything like that. And like, subscribe, and follow for more. I'm going to go over the damage and stuff and that was done in another video, and get an update on that as I rebuild and get the van set back up for living in and camping in. So, all right, thank you guys.